Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Mark and I'll be taking you through the updates to the user interface. SOLIDWORKS 2020 includes many updates to the user interface. The file open list is wider and better organised. A new slider clearly shows the open modes to convey the level of detail being opened and the available options. Users love to customise their own user interface. In 2020, Command Manager tabs and toolbar customizations are better organised in flyouts. For new or casual users, Tooltips have been enhanced to include greater detail, images and animations for better understanding of many of the commands. Folders, a popular tool to organise your feature tree, now support dragging multiple contiguous items, speeding up the process. Finally, a new search box speeds material selection, making it easy to find and select the material you want to use. Streamline your daily workflow with SOLIDWORKS 2020. In summary, the user interface now has an updated Open dialog, enhanced tooltips, and Feature Manager folders that allow drag and drop of multiple features, and a material search. Improved user interaction to speed your daily use.